I know what's gonna happen. Brother, come on. Come on.
Okay, we made it through this time. We made it through. All right, we did it clean this time. We did it clean. Yeah, fist bump. I got a little leader outside the cones action for a little bonus race. Always a fun time. Keeps people bunched up. Oh. What's happening?
2 seconds later.
Oh boy. Ow! 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 I'm getting battered all over the place. Oh god, this thing does not want to turn. This is gonna be a tough bonus race. Oh my goodness. Oh boy, I don't want to turn right. I don't want to turn right. Ow! Ow! Jesus! Oh my god! Ow! Jeez! Oh God bless America, Brian! Oh my goodness! Everybody's so aggressive for a bonus race. I think everybody's angry that I got first in all 3 races I did today. That's probably it, right? Oh my gosh, what is happening? Ugh.
2 hours later.
Ow! What, Brian? What are you doing? Ooh, good pass, good pass. Okay. Holy moly, what a bonus race. This has been a destruction derby of a bonus race. Okay. Oh, goodness. Okay, we settled it in nicely here. Ow, Jesus Christ! I was through that turn. What is happening? Oh my goodness, this is a cluster. Man, I'll tell you what. And these are the people who finished top 8 in the feature race. Is what happened here. Holy moly. Well, I'm glad that's over with, huh?
What the happened in that race?